Imagine typing a few words and getting a seamless pattern you could sell on clothing, wallpaper, or phone cases in minutes. In this video, I am using Pattern AI, link in the description. It's basically an AI powerful design tool that turns simple text prompt into seamless repeating pattern you could use for real products. User friendly software, no hours of manual tiling, all you need is just an idea and a prompt. Let's jump in. You can sign up for free right here or just log in with your Google account. Once you are on the Pattern AI homepage, this is where the magic happens. New user normally gets about 20 free credit, which is more than enough to start experimenting. And if you are planning to use this for business, selling product or doing client work, the paid plan unlock higher resolution and more creative freedom. But for testing idea, the free credits are perfect. Step 1. Generating a seamless pattern from a text prompt. So we are in the pattern generation interface. Before generating your pattern, let's check the style menu right here. This is one of the most powerful tool. Instead of describing everything in text, you can pick built-in visual style like switching Illustrator in a one click. This is where you really control the look of your pattern. Now let's write a prompt, something like delicate wildflowers, hand-drawn botanical style, soft watercolor texture, light negative space, seamless repeating patterns, surface design, high detail, clean outline. Did you notice what we did here? So basically, we have described the subject, style, spacing, and structure. We are not just making art, we are directing it, the look and the layout at the same time. I don't want to waste my credit, so I'll select 2 and hit generate. Okay, now look at the edges for a second. See that? Everything just connected. No harsh line, no weird cutoff, nothing awkward happening at the seam. That's the seamless repeat doing its thing quickly in the background. Satisfying, right? Alright, click this three dot, download it, done. That's it. Step 2. Using multiple language prompts. Now here's something most people don't even try. Pattern AI actually understand multiple languages. And here's the coolest part. If you click new random prompts, you'll get a completely different prompt every single time. So now I just grab one, quickly translate it into Spanish, paste it back in, hit generate. Look how beautiful is that, isn't it? If you click here, it will open in a new tab. You can resize it and preview how your design will look on different products, which is super helpful. You can also download it as an PNG, upscale it, convert it into vector, even reduce the vector color based on what you need. Seriously, it saves so much time and give you way more flexibility. Step 3. Refining with selective area editing. Okay, imagine you love your pattern but you want to change just one flower color. Do you really want to regenerate the whole thing? Nope. That would be a waste of time. Here's the easiest way. Open the pattern editor and upload your design. Spot the flower you want to change. Select the area, then type something simple like same pattern, change flower color, and hit generate. Only that selection updates. Check it out before and after. See how it blends perfectly. Honestly, this is the kind of feature that save your credits and tons of time. Step 4. Remixing and recoloring. Now we are getting into the really fun part. Let's say you love your layout, the spacing feel right, everything plays perfectly, but the overall vibe just isn't hitting. No problem. You don't have to start from scratch. Click pattern editor, then head to recolor. If you tap auto and hit generate, the AI will suggest a few colorway based on your design. This is honestly amazing when your creativity stucks. Sometimes it's throw out combination you'll never think to try, and suddenly you're like, wait, why does this actually look so good? If you'd rather be more hand-on, switch to palette. You'll see preset palette right here. If you click through, you can borrow the full library and pick exactly what fits your mood. Want something softer, bolder, retro, it's all there. If you scroll down and click add color, you can enter HX code too, super helpful when you need consistency. You can even save your own custom palette for future project, which is perfect if you are building out a brand system. Once you picked your direction, hit generate. Smooth, right? Now here where it get even cooler. If you select restyle, you can apply build and style preset. For example, I'll try something like pencil drawing. It instantly shift the feel of the design. And the best part, you can adjust the style strength. So if you don't want it to completely take over your design, hit generate again. And wow, that's the real power here. You're not throwing your work away and starting over. You are evolving the same design, exploring different moods, different personalities without losing the structure you already love. It's creative freedom without the chaos. Step 5, applying pattern to mockup. Let's bring your pattern to life in the real world. You can upload a PNG or JPG here. Or if you want more control, open advanced option. You can describe how you like the mockup to look and even adjust the size. Alright, let's upload our design. There are tons of mockups to explore, but let's start with a phone case. Click on the phone case mockup and hit generate. Oh my god, it instantly looks more polished, more sellable. It's so beautiful. And here's the thing, mockup aren't just for showing off your work, they help you catch issue before anything goes into production. Maybe the pattern feels too large, maybe a key detail gets cropped. It's a way better to notice that now than after printing. So before you download your final file, always test it on a mockup. It's a small step that makes a big difference. And that's the full workflow from a single prompt to a production ready multicolor pattern. You are not just creating images anymore, you are building real, usable asset for real products. See you in the next video. We'll talk about turning your idea into client ready pattern collection. But for now, go make something that inspires you and that someone would love to buy.